It's cooling still. Well, after it's still.
Pressure south of the area will dissipate by Sunday. The cold front in the northwest part of the area Saturday night will move south to about 35 north Sunday, becoming stationary and dissipating. High pressure will build over the area by late Monday to cover the area Monday and Tuesday. Saturday night, moderate to gale winds and moderate to heavy seas in the extreme north. Light to moderate winds and moderate seas elsewhere. Sunday through Tuesday, light winds and slight to moderate seas.
It's really interesting because the horizon stays steady, but the boat moves. Here the horizon moves and the boat stays
We
steady.
could use the Steadicam as a good coffee holder, can't we?
Yes, it would make a very good coffee. Put a whole cup of coffee hot. One of the big brewers, I
We're directly behind us.
Okay, we're going to have to put up.
1/2 foot above mean low water. At 8:45 this morning, mostly sunny skies, roundup area, downtown Atlantic City, 65 degrees, the wind south-southwest 12 miles per hour. Atlantic City Airport in Egg Harbor Township, 72 degrees, relative humidity 68%. Southwest winds at 10, sea level pressure 30.06 inches and falling. Louisville, 68 degrees, southwest winds at 8. Wildwood, New Jersey, 70 degrees, southwest winds 13 gusting to 20. Philadelphia, 67 degrees, west winds at 6. Wilmington, Delaware, 68 degrees, southwest winds at 7. And New York City, 63 degrees, the wind east southeast, 7 miles per hour. Radar was not detecting any precipitation within a 125-mile radius of Atlantic City. The agricultural weather advisory for New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. Rainfall amounts, scattered amounts of a quarter of an inch possible in the northern part of the district late this afternoon, otherwise none through Saturday. Winds for spring becoming west 10 to 20 miles an hour this afternoon. Northwest 10 to 15 miles an hour tonight. Northwest 10 to 20 miles an hour on Saturday. humidity in percent, 30 to 40% today, 85 to 95% tonight, and 30 to 40% Saturday. Dew points, mid to upper 50s today, low 50s tonight, low to mid 40s on Saturday. Frost freeze or dew, little expected tonight. Drying conditions, fairly good today, good Saturday. Percent of possible sunshine, 60% today, 80% Saturday. There is a 20% probability of precipitation during the 12-hour period beginning at 8 a.m. and ending at 8 p.m. that could adversely affect the performance of pesticides that require a rain-free period after application. No critical temperatures are expected for the next couple of days. Field work should continue active for the next several days with only scattered precipitation in the north today. Soil moisture levels are near or below 50% of field capacity in some locations, and therefore irrigation is now necessary. Irrigation will become increasingly necessary over the next several days with only scattered rainfall expected today. Floor and soil temperatures now average in the mid-60s over the northern part of the region to the low 70s in the southern part. Soil temperatures will hold steady over the next few days. Overnight low temperatures in the cranberry bog should remain above freezing tonight. Hay cutting will see very good drying conditions over the next several days with just scattered wetting possible today. The current weather synopsis. High pressure along the mid-Atlantic coast will move out to sea today. Low pressure over the Great Lakes will move east, dragging a cold front across the forecast area late tonight. High pressure will build in behind the front on Saturday. The forecast for Atlantic City and vicinity today, partly sunny and warm, with highs around 80 along shore and in the mid to upper 80s inland. Winds light this morning, becoming southwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy skies with lows 60 to 65, winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming northwest toward morning. Saturday, mostly sunny with highs near 80. The outlook for Sunday and Memorial Day. On Sunday, fair skies with lows in the 50s and highs in the 70s. Memorial Day, fair once again with lows in the 50s, highs in the 70s. Tuesday, a chance of showers with lows 55 to 60 and highs in the mid-70s to around 80. Today, coastal marine forecast for Lattice-One Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Headland in Delaware to 20 nautical miles offshore. Today, variable winds 10 knots or west, becoming southwest at 15-20 knots by afternoon. Seas 2 feet or less, building to 2 to 4 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming west after midnight, seas 2 to 4 feet. Saturday, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with seas 2 to 4 feet. In the Delaware Bay today, variable winds 10 knots or less, becoming southwest 15 to 20 knots by afternoon. Seas less than 2 feet, building to 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming west after midnight. Seas 1 to 3 feet. Saturday, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with seas 1 to 3 feet. Atlantic City tide height 10 times at the Trump Pier. Low tide at 7:30 a.m. Friday near mean low water. High tide at 1:47 p.m. Friday, 4 1/2 feet above mean low water. And low tide at 7:51 p.m. Friday night, 1/2 foot above mean low water. At 8:45 this morning, mostly sunny skies prevail over the Roundup area. Downtown Atlantic City,
You gotta lock it off on this
65
fucker, right?
degrees. The wind south.
You gotta lock it off on that mother, right?
Yes.
Atlantic City Airport in Egg Harbor Township, 72 degrees. Relative humidity, 68%. Southwest winds at 10. Sea level pressure, 30.06 inches at fault. Louisville, 68 degrees. Southwest winds at 8. Wildwood, New Jersey, 70 degrees. Southwest winds, 13 gusting to 20. Philadelphia, 67 degrees. West winds at 6. Bloomington.